Welcome to the B.E.G exhibition stand. I'm standing here in front of the high bay warehouse application example from the industrial sector. With this panel, we would like to show you two things. Firstly, that we offer solutions that are interoperable with other manufacturers. In this case, through the industry standard DALI 2. And secondly, that we also offer special sensor technology that can be used in certain application areas, such as a high bay warehouse. The special feature of this detector is the telescopic light sensor that can be adjusted to a specific mounting height. As a result, the light value measurement results obtained are very precise, and it is possible for a control solution, in this case for example from B.E.G or Lütec, to achieve accurate lighting control. Furthermore, concerning the detection of movement, this device also ensures precise detection at a mounting height of 60 meters with a radius of 30 meters.